Here is the best part of ShoWork for your field crews. There is no app to download and nothing to learn. Your worker just opens Telegram, the chat app they already use, and sends their phone number to connect. And they are in. From this moment on, every job comes straight to this one chat automatically and always in their own language. When you assign a job, it arrives right here. Everything the worker needs is in the message: the property, the type of work, how urgent it is, and when it is due. Accepting is one tap. The moment they accept, you can see that they got the job and they are on their way. No phone calls, no guessing. Once they are on site, they tap to start, and a simple menu gives them everything they can do, right inside the chat. They report progress with a photo, taken right there at the job site. You see it in real time, so you always know the work is moving. Hit a snag? One tap flags a problem or requests materials, and you are notified immediately, so a small issue never turns into a missed deadline. And when the work is done, one tap marks it complete with a final photo. The job closes, fully documented, and your worker is ready for the next one. That is ShoWork for field workers. Simple, fast, and in their language.